Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to set a ringtone for just one person on an iPhone in iOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change the ringtone for just one person, open the Contacts app first. You can search for it in the app library if you're not sure how to get to it. Within the Contacts app, find the contact you want to change the ringtone for and tap on their name. On this page, tap on Edit in the top right and then look for the option called Ringtone on this page. Tap on this and then all you need to do is scroll down and select the ringtone you want for this person. Once you've chosen the ringtone, you can tap on Done in the top right. And so that is how to set a ringtone for just one person on an iPhone in iOS. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.